Here's something that trips up SQL beginners. Why does my query work with cont, but fail when I add a column? The answer lies in understanding Group BY. Group BY organizes your table rows into groups based on matching values in one or more columns. Think of it like sorting a deck of cards by suit. All hearts together, all spades together. Each unique value becomes its own group, and SQL processes each group separately. The real power of Group BY comes from aggregate functions. Functions like cont, sum, average, max, and min operate on each group independently. For example, if you group BY customer ID, you can count how many orders each customer placed or sum up their total spending. Without Group BY, these functions would just give you one number for the entire table. Here's the rule that catches everyone. Any column in your select that isn't inside an aggregate function must appear in the Group BY clause. Why? Because each group might have multiple rows with different values. SQL needs to know which value to show, so you have to group by it. Finally, what if you want to filter the groups themselves? Here filters rows before grouping, but having filters after. Use having when you need conditions on aggregate results, like showing only customers with more than 5 orders. Remember, Group BY organizes rows into groups, works with aggregate functions for calculations per group, and pairs with having for group-level filtering. Master this, and you'll unlock powerful data analysis capabilities. Practice with real datasets to make it stick. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.